Is your dishwasher flashing an F03 error code at you? Have you noticed standing water at the bottom of your dishwasher? Well, an F03 error code means that something might be blocking your wastewater drainage. So let's see if we can solve it. So first things first, how do you know your dishwasher is actually showing you error code F03? Well, if your dishwasher has a digital display, it will show you F03 numerically. However, many dishwashers don't have a digital display, and therefore the only way it can show you it is through a series of lights on the top. Now, to decipher those lights, watch my Understanding Dishwasher Error Codes video by clicking here. Now, if it's not evident so far, this error code is only valid for Indesit and Hotpoint dishwashers, but the advice in this video will still be valid if you have a dishwasher with the same problem. Before I begin though, if you need assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint Dishwasher Error Code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint dishwasher errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. Error code F03 is your dishwasher telling you it can't pump out wastewater. So the first thing we need to do is check our dishwasher filters. Now over time, these can become blocked up with food residue and general dishwasher gunk. Now back when I was in my prime, the first Hotpoint video I did was a comprehensive dishwasher filters video, which you can watch by clicking here. It covers everything you need to know about dishwasher filters. So I highly recommend you pause this video, go and watch that one, and I'll be here when you get back. Assuming you've just watched me cleaning out dishwasher filters and it still hasn't solved the problem, the next thing we need to check is the dishwasher wastewater hose, and to do that, we need to pull the dishwasher out. Now, dishwashers aren't a particularly heavy appliance when compared to something like a washing machine, so if you think you can move it out on your own, then do so if you can do it safely, but don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, safety first. Top tip for you though, I like to put something down on the floor just to protect it. You can use a sheet of vinyl, a sheet of cardboard, or in my case, a sheet of hardboard. Another tip for you as well, don't pull the dishwasher out too far, as this could disconnect the hoses from the back of the machine. Now, with the dishwasher out of the way, you want to check the wastewater hose for any bends or kinks. This is the hose that goes from the bottom of the dishwasher up to your wastewater outlet. Now, this can sometimes happen if you've recently moved your dishwasher out of the way and pushed it back. And what you're looking for are any kinks or bends in the hose that could restrict the flow of the water out of your machine, leading to error code F03. While you're here, also check the connections are secure, and if your hose goes into a wastewater standpipe like this, make sure it's clear of any obstructions. The best solution is, of course, prevention. Regularly cleaning your filters out every so often will go a long way on helping your dishwasher drain its wastewater properly and help prevent error F03 from happening in the future. If, however, you're still getting that error code F03, then unfortunately you're going to have to call out an engineer. And to do that, or to live chat with one of our service team about anything error code related, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.